everyone, welcome to Malaika's Artistry. Let's make unique wall hanging with ice cream sticks. Take stick and glue gun. Let's start. Draw shape. Attach the sticks one by one to each other. The frame is ready. Make 7 frames like this. Seven more frames will be made same way. Create 14 frames like this. Now, attach 7 small frames to make one big frame, like this. I made 2 big frames. Now attach them. Like this. Ready. Now color it. I used acrylic color. Add water. Mix, mix, mix. Oh, my beautiful brush. Oops, I'm artist. Already. Baba.
Oh, God.
Haha, it's okay. I'll use gold paint now. I'm not good artist. Finally ready. Wow, amazing.
Like and subscribe.